Across the boundless savannas of East Africa unfolds one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles, the Great Migration. Each year, over 1.5 million wildebeest, accompanied by zebras and gazelles, embark on an epic journey from Tanzania's Serengeti to Kenya's Masai Mara in search of fresh grazing lands. The journey begins in the Serengeti, where newborn calves take their first shaky steps. Unaware of the dangers that await, the herds must follow the seasonal rains, instinctively moving north toward greener pastures. But survival is not guaranteed. Predators lurk in the shadows. Lions, cheetahs, and hyenas await the weakest among them. The migration is a test of endurance, speed, and luck. The most dramatic moment of this journey, the Mara River crossing. Here, panic and chaos ensue as thousands gather at the banks, hesitant to take the plunge. But hesitation means death, for behind them, predators are closing in. In the raging waters, another predator lies in wait. Giant Nile crocodiles, with powerful jaws, they seize their opportunity, turning the river into a battlefield of life and death. For those that survive, the reward is great: endless fields of fresh grass in the Masai Mara. But their journey is far from over. In just a few months, the cycle will begin again, driving them southward as the rains shift. This is the Great Migration, an eternal cycle of life, struggle, and survival, a story written in the footprints of millions, echoing through the plains of Africa.